So you want to point the tungsten slightly forward. So if it feels like you're uncomfortable at the end, slide your hand down farther. Let's go ahead and do this here. Your hand's kind of tilted over a little bit. Let's get it closer to straight up. Like that. Do a couple times like that, and then we're going to turn the fire on. Get a little closer. Go ahead and get kind of like you would be if you were welding, which is going to be down here like that. Think you're ready for the fire?
We'll see.
No guts, no glory. Here we go, eyeball. Stay right there. Come on back. Stay there till you see them melt together. All right, now move forward. Get a little closer, go a little slower. All right, keep on moving just like that. Get a little closer. Get a little closer, a little closer. There you go, keep on coming. You're looking good. Alright. So there you go. There's your first ever 2 pieces of metal welded together your entire life. Come out pretty good, didn't it?